Hi, Story Cooking Classes, where we cook and tell stories. Today, we're not kneading dough, sailing across seas, or chasing ancient cheese. We're diving into a dish that unites every family gathering and simultaneously causes every family argument. We're making the legendary Olivier Salad, an appetizer once reserved for the rich people and later proudly adopted by the general public. The salad that appears on New Year's table faster than you can say, "Where did the peas go? I swear I bought 3 cans." Olivier isn't just salad, it's edible nostalgia. Every cube is a memory. Every pickle is a childhood flashback. Every spoonful is a time machine. So, before someone in the family starts debating the correct version, let's gather the ingredients. To make Olivier salad, you'll need potatoes, carrots, eggs, pickles, green peas, cooked meat, chicken, ham, beef, or bologna. Your family history will decide. And the holy glue, mayonnaise. All these ingredients look innocent now, but once we mix them, they will create something powerful enough to feed an army of relatives who just came for a quick visit. Today, we're upgrading the classic method. Instead of boiling, we are baking the potatoes, carrots, and beef. More flavor and less water. Season the beef and wrap it in foil. Wrap the potatoes. Do the same with the carrots. Bake at 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. Boil the eggs. Don't bake those unless you enjoy the chaos. While the vegetables and meat reflect on their destiny, let's explore the story behind this iconic dish. Olivier salad was created in the 1860s by Lucien Olivier, a chief of French and Belgian origin, working in Hermitage, a legendary Moscow restaurant. His original recipe, let's just say it was gold-plated, diamond-studded version of a salad. Grouse, caviar, crayfish tails, capers, a whole orchestra of luxury. But as in many culinary tales, the recipe was adopted by the general public. Prestige ingredients became everyday staples. Simplicity won, and Olivier transformed from elite appetizer to beloved tradition. So yes, Olivier salad is basically diplomacy in a bowl. Let's get back to the kitchen before someone eats the pickles. Place your perfectly baked and cubed potatoes and carrots into the large bowl. Larger than you think. And yes, chop small. Big cubes in Olivier are like plot holes in movies, unforgivable. If someone hands you oversized chunks, they shouldn't be trusted with kitchen responsibilities. Add diced meat, chicken, beef, or bologna if that's your ancestral tradition. Add peas, the green dots of destiny. Add chopped pickles, a crunchy ambassador of flavor. And now comes an emotional part. Mayonnaise. Let's make it. If anyone whispers too much mayo, remove them from the kitchen immediately. They have violated Article 1 of Olivier Constitution. Gently mix until everything is coated and unified, like world peace, but tastier. While your Olivier sits for a bit, developing character and self-awareness, let's talk about its journey. It began as a luxurious appetizer served to the elite, the wealthy, and people who probably said, my grouse wasn't marinated long enough. But as ingredients simplified and families adapted the recipe, Olivier became something far more powerful. A symbol of celebration, a sign of hospitality, a dish that could unite people even when nothing else could. It also inspired countless debates. Add apple, no apple, fresh cucumber, pickled cucumber. And yet, no matter the variation, no matter the household, Olivier salad is still Olivier salad. A dish for everyone. Let's finish the masterpiece. Transfer Olivier into a nice serving bowl. Smooth the top like you're tucking a sleepy child. Decorate if you want. A pea in the middle, a sprig of dill, a cute carrot star. Go full holiday mode. Serve chilled. The first spoonful hits with creamy nostalgia. Bright pickles, tender meat, sweet peas, and roasted note from baked vegetables. One salad, million of memories. And speaking of powerful food, next time on High Story Cooking Classes, we are exploring the fuel of the steppe. A high-energy food powered nomads, long journeys, and entire civilizations. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. New episodes every Saturday.